Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block unwanted people or contacts on WhatsApp. Friends, by the help of this feature, you can very easily block any person on WhatsApp who is disturbing you or to whom you don't want to chat. So first you need to open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, open chat of person you want to block. Now to block this contact, you just need to press on these three dots and here press on block. Now here press on block again. Now this contact is blocked and will not be able to send any chat message or voice call on WhatsApp. So friends, by the help of this feature, you can very easily block any unwanted person on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.